Hello and welcome to another vlog. So today's vlog is all going to be about Rimac. It's a Croatian startup and hypercar manufacturer led by Matt Rimac himself, and they have dropped a bomb right now because they have dropped a hypercar in the market, and it's really impressive because it's one of the quickest production hypercar present in the world right now. Yes, you heard me right. So how quick is it? Let me get you the stats. So first of all, starting with its brake horsepower output, it has 1914 brake horsepower output. Each wheel is controlled by an independent motor. Yes, that's how electric cars work. And it has the biggest battery right now in any production hypercar present, and it's not just like a skateboard type battery. It's a really well designed battery, and it is 120 kilowatt per hour battery. Also, it has a impressive torque of around 2360 newton meters. It is going to hell right now. I mean, not the car, but all the other cars are going to hell in front of this. It makes a SF90 Stradale Ferrari like a toddler in front of a cheetah. That's how fast this car is. Each and every single part on this car is made bespoke around everything, like inverters, ECUs, battery management systems, let's say all the tires and all the mag wheels and alloy wheels and ice, every single thing is made new. It's completely bespoke car, and it's one of the fastest accelerating car right now on the market. Also, there were 18 prototypes made by Rimac to test them in various conditions. Along with it, they have tested it on a drag strip for like quarter-mile race, which they normally race. If you want to see quarter-mile races, then you can check out Fast and Furious series. They normally do that quarter-mile races in Fast and Furious series of the movies, and in that quarter-mile race, this car is the one of the fastest because it completes that quarter-mile drag race in just less than 8.6 seconds. That's one of the fastest cars in the present in the world right now. Also, it has a various load of features, like there are 13 cameras, autonomous driving capabilities, and 6 radars. I mean, it's impressive. And best part of all, there is a cooling system in the frunk. Most of the electric cars have frunk as well as trunk, but this car doesn't have a frunk, but it has a cooling system. So in the reason behind this cooling system is there needs to be certain management of temperature for the batteries for these kind of cars. Like, for example, if there is hot outside, then you need to cool this battery down, and if it is cool outside, then you need to heat this battery up. So that's how this power management and battery management system works, and therefore this cooling system comes in handy to maintain these certain levels of thermal conductivity range of these batteries. Also, there is no traditional battery like most of the cars like Tesla or Porsche Taycan. They have a flat skateboard kind of battery, but this battery is different. They have changed it, they have designed it very well so that it can be fit and very well be the, let's say, the safety measure. When the cars tries to roll down, it should not roll down. So that's what this battery can also do because of its center of gravity in it. So yeah, that's how well thought this car has been designed. Also, there is a kind of, let's say, good feature in this car is when you spend 2 million pounds, then you do not think that I'm going to buy the next version or I'm going to buy an upgraded version of this car. You don't need to think that in Rimac, because Rimac has a system where they will upgrade the software and other things, where you will get the feel of the next generation supercar in the older generation supercar. That's how epic these guys are. So that's why they have 4 major investors in them. First one is Hyundai, Kia Motors, Volkswagen Group, and fourth one, the most important, Porsche. So yeah, these guys are the investing parties in this automobile or electric hypercar startup. So that's how great this kind of cars are, and that's how great this company is. So being a new player here in the market, they are really dropping bombs in the form of their cars. And so yeah, I'm really impressed by these cars. So yeah, I hope so you have noticed the sound quality. Yeah, sound quality has been increased in my vlog today. That's because I got a new mic. So yeah, I'll be henceforth taking care of this. Sound quality will be perfect, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog with such a great sound quality and great content. Till then, ciao.